So I just want to do a quick video with two of my favorite spinners lately. This is the Mini Boomerang Pro from Designs, and this is the Mini Boomerang from Designs. This one here uses the initial design, the original design of the Mini Boomerang, which has a 608 bearing. This is a later model which moves over to an R188 bearing, particularly a hybrid ceramic bearing. That's why it's the Pro model. And I bought this one initially, I got a good deal on it used. And then I liked it so much just from a fidgeting standpoint that I went ahead and picked this one up because I've really been preferring 608 bearings lately. And now I just wanted to do a quick video showing the difference. The spinners are essentially the same. There's no, that I could tell, no discernible difference. The 608 spinner obviously has a larger bearing, which means the R188 has more mass in this area. And I'll take that off. So you can see more bearing, more brass. So definitely a slight difference there. Obviously this one uses these really unfortunate looking power buttons. I'm going to remove these and swap them for something better as soon as possible. They actually feel fine. I just think they look really silly, as I pointed out before. The axial buttons on these ones are much better, so definitely I do prefer those. And now I want to move on to the sort of spin time and the feel, so and the sound. So first we'll look at the sound. So here's that R188 in hybrid ceramic. Really quiet. Maybe you could hear some ringing from that brass, but really not much. And here is that 608. So you definitely hear that grindy sound to it. I like that. I think that's great. That's the sort of feedback I want from a spinner, but I understand that not everyone enjoys that. Next up, I wanted to spin these guys and see how long they spin. I will spin the R188 first, essentially giving it the benefit of the doubt because it'll spin longer. It should spin longer, so I'll give it